Bonita Unified has shaped the person that I am today. I attended Gladstone Elementary, Lone Hill Middle School, and San Dimas High School. Starting in high school, my junior season, we won league that year, and then we also managed to win the first school state championship in history. I went to college at UCLA, and my freshman year, we won a national championship. During that time, I played for the under-20 women's national team, and we ended up winning a bronze medal at the U20 World Cup. I ended up getting drafted top 10 by the Orlando Pride, and my first year, I won a league title and a championship title. The times that it's been really difficult for me, I've just found that the best way to handle that is to lean on the people next to me. Bonita Unified really just provided those relationships and mentorships throughout my time here that I can come back and really rely on.
This is where I played my junior soccer season, and it was our championship season. Coming back to this field, it's really special. It's honestly hard to put it into words. This is where all the magic happened.
Coming back here, I really wanted to inspire kids to just follow their dreams and to truly bet on themselves. And that is just something I love to do, and giving back has always been something that I want to do. And really just be that outlet and that mentor for any girl, boy who needs it, whether they're a soccer player or an athlete or even just regular student. I come back to see the people that I really grew a connection with. You know, the staff here is incredible. What makes my job so special is that I get to do something that I love every day, and I get to do something that is truly my passion. When I'm on the field playing, it truly feels like there's nothing else that matters and the whole world just goes silent. A lot of things keep me coming back to my alma mater, but to pick out one, it would be to give back to my community. I hope my legacy at Bonita Unified is that I was confident enough to go after what I wanted, but that I never forgot where I came from. I'm Lemos, professional soccer player and proud graduate of Bonita Unified School District.